Here I'll be demonstrating a pin press. So as you can see, I've set my pin press up with a flat bench in a squat rack. You can do it in some bench presses depending on the setup, but generally speaking, you may have to grab a flat bench and jump in the squat rack to do it. So the main thing about the pin press is the setup. Your bench press setup is exactly the same. The only difference is that you'll be pressing onto the pins. And an important note for this is you don't want to necessarily tap and go off the pins. You want to get that stop-start reflex. So slight pause, press hard, slight pause, press hard. Now these can be a little tricky unless you set those hooks up, but you'll be starting in a position where you'll be pressing from halfway to get it up. So it is very important that you set up nice and tight, get the tension in the bar, and then press, as opposed to being able to unrack it and press straight away in that position. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. So I'll grab my grip the same, setup's exactly the same. Now I need to roll this to where I would press at that part of range of motion, if that makes sense. So for me, I'll press about here. So I'm going to set everything, get the tension out of the bar, and press. And loading it up, press. Loading it up, press. That sort of thing there. Very good movement, and the pin height, you can set so whatever part of the press that you want to work. So if you're weaker lower in the range, you can set it up lower. If you want to work your lockout, just set it higher.